Hello, you absolute legends. Discussing heat capacity. Here we have a teacup and a pool, a swimming pool. And both of these things are made of water. And here we have just four water molecules meant to stimulate your atomic vision thinking about that. Both of these things are filled with water, and you both want them warm. Which one is going to take more energy to raise 1 degree Celsius? It should take the pool more energy because there's more matter there. There's probably, I don't know, 10,000 gallons of water. And here there's 50 milliliters of water, or 200 milliliters. So it should take more energy to raise the temperature of this pool 1 degree. How much energy is that going to take is heat capacity. Heat capacity has the units of joules per degree Celsius. So it looks really similar to specific heat, but it ain't. Let's say this pool is filled with 100,000, I'm just going to say 100,000 grams of water. That's not big enough for a pool, but I'm just picking a big enough number right there, okay? What is the heat capacity of this swimming pool right here? We want joules on top, temperature change on the bottom here, and that is really similar to specific heat. The specific heat of water is joules, the energy to raise 1 gram, 1 degree Celsius. In this example with the swimming pool, we had 100,000 grams. So grams cancel. So this would tell us specifically that it takes moving a bunch of zeros. I think I can do that in my head. Whoops, 400. So I think I did that right in my head. If I didn't, please comment, let me know. So it's going to take that much energy to raise that pool 1 degree Celsius. That is the heat capacity of this pool, this matter right here. If we want to do this for the teacup, let's say the teacup is just a second. This answer here in joules per degree Celsius, the heat capacity of the pool, that number is useful, but is sometimes hard to grasp using the unit of joules. We are familiar with food calories, like the calories that's in there. So let's convert this to food calories and get an idea of, like, say, how many apples of energy would it take to heat this pool 1 degree Celsius. I have to make a little room here on the board. I think that's what I had there as the heat capacity of that swimming pool, 41,000. I want to convert this into food calories. So for every 1 joule is 0.24 food calories. So for this one right here, I'm going to get a calculator after this one here. The heat capacity, notice that we are only converting units from joules to calories. So it's still a heat capacity because it's an energy over a change in temperature. (416 calories per degree Celsius). So it would take, so both of these numbers here they're just a conversion, like 12 inches, 1 foot. The heat capacity of the pool is 418,000 joules per degree Celsius, or 100,000 calories to raise that temperature 1 degree Celsius. I hope this helps. Thank you.